How to enable dark mode in Notion. So go ahead and open your Notion application. Once you're in this page, go to the left panel. If this is not visible on your end, just click on this three lines icon on the top and that will turn into an arrow. Once you click on that, this left panel will then show. Now in here, select Settings and Members. In this window, click on My Notification and Settings. Scroll down below and find the tab named Appearance. Beside that is a drop down which you can click, and in here you can either choose the system setting, light mode, or the dark mode. Since we want the dark mode, click on the word dark, and as you can see, the mode of your whole screen will immediately change into dark mode. The same when you want to change it back to light mode, just choose light in here and it will be applied immediately. So that is how to enable dark mode in Notion. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.